more women are using green smoothies to lose weight. Have you ever imagined a tasty, effortless drink that could jumpstart your weight loss journey? Green smoothies are becoming a powerful ally for women worldwide. Packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor, these vibrant drinks are helping women lose weight naturally without sacrificing wellness or satisfaction. The secret lies in their simplicity. Blending fresh greens like spinach or kale with fruits creates a nutrient-dense meal in minutes. This smart swap not only promotes weight loss but also boosts energy, improves skin health, and supports overall well-being. It's a win-win for your health goals. Meet Sarah, a busy mom who struggled to stick with diets. She replaced one meal a day with a green smoothie, and it transformed her. Sarah lost 20 pounds just 3 months and gained the confidence she thought was lost. Her secret? Consistency and keeping her smoothies simple. Women like Sarah are discovering that green smoothies aren't just a trend, they're a lifestyle change. Whether you're managing a hectic schedule or searching for a healthy start, these drinks provide an easy, sustainable way to reclaim your health. A green smoothie isn't just a drink, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. The blend of leafy greens, fruits, and superfoods provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, helping you stay full longer. You'll dodge unhealthy snacks while nourishing your body with everything it craves. The benefits don't stop at weight loss. Drinking green smoothies can reduce inflammation, detox your body, and improve digestion. Plus, with so many potential ingredient combinations, they'll keep your taste buds guessing while boosting your immune system. You don't need exotic or expensive ingredients to make green smoothies. All it takes is 3 key components: greens, fruits, and liquids. Spinach, kale, arugula, or even cucumber can serve as your base. Toss in fruits like bananas, apples, or berries to add flavor and natural sweetness. For liquid, go with water, almond milk, or coconut water. Add-ons like chia seeds, flax seeds, or protein powder can elevate the nutritional profile. The best part? You control what goes in, ensuring it's free of artificial sugars or unhealthy fillers. Creating the ideal green smoothie is easy when you follow this formula. 2 cups of greens, 2 cups of liquid, and 1 to 1.5 cups of fruit. Blend until smooth, and don't forget to sample your masterpiece. Adjust the sweetness or thickness as needed for a perfectly tailored taste. Start experimenting with recipes until you find your favorites. A beginner-friendly option is a refreshing spinach and banana blend with a splash of almond milk. Each smoothie is a chance to nurture your body while delighting your taste buds. The key to success with green smoothies is making them part of your daily routine. Start by replacing one meal or snack with a smoothie. For example, a morning green smoothie can help curb cravings and provide lasting energy to fuel your day. Consistency is crucial. Prepping ingredients ahead of time saves both effort and excuses. Freeze fruit, chop greens, and portion out add-ins in advance. With everything ready, your green smoothie habit becomes as automatic as pouring your morning coffee. Some may say green smoothies won't keep you full, but the fiber from greens and fruits says otherwise. Adding healthy fats like avocado or seeds keeps hunger at bay for hours. Think they'll taste too green? The sweetness of fruits perfectly balances the flavors for a delicious treat. Others worry about cost, but making green smoothies at home is surprisingly budget-friendly. Use seasonal fruits and store-bought greens for simple, affordable recipes. When compared to processed snacks or takeout costs, green smoothies are an investment in your health. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing not just a slimmer body, but someone who feels strong, energized, and accomplished. Green smoothies can help you turn that vision into reality. With their incredible benefits and simplicity, they're the perfect step toward a healthier, happier you. Why wait? Grab your blender and start today. Share your smoothie creations and success stories in the comments below. Join a community of women who are transforming their lives, one sip at a time. Your journey to better health begins here. Cheers to a new you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.